Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing another cash envelope stuffing, and this is paycheck number 2 of March. So let's get right into this video. Alright, so starting with utilities is getting its usual $50. So guys, I did read most of you guys' comments, and guys, don't be upset with me, alright? I just wanted to try something new. So onto our groceries. So in groceries, we actually have some money left. We have $20, $21, $22, $23, and you guys already know these dollars is going into my kids' piggy bank, and this $20 is going to the side, and I'm gonna show you guys what I do with this $20. So groceries is getting $120. So I did tell you guys in my last video that I was gonna bump it up to $140, but since I did have some money left, I'm gonna lower it to $120. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 120. Alright, next is gas, and we have $10 left in gas, and this $10 is going to the side, and I'm going to show you guys what I do with that 10. And gas is getting $60. Spending, we also have $10 left in spending, so this is going to the side, and spending this week is getting its usual $20. Next is beauty, and beauty is getting $10. Okay, giving isn't getting stuff. Next is my $5 savings challenge. Let's see how much fives we accumulated this week. So we got 5, 10, 15, 20. So you guys already know these fives is going into my $5 savings jar. And let's get right into our sinking funds. Alright guys, so starting off with my kids' savings first. But let me show you guys the cash breakdown. So we are stuffing $890 this week. So Lanesia is getting her usual $25. So 20 and a 5. So Lanesia has 1,000, 2, 3,000, 1, 2, 300, 20, 40, 5, 55, 57, 59, 61, 63, 65. So Lanesia has $3,365. Next is Jaden, and Jaden is also getting his usual 25. So 20 and a 5. So Jaden has 1, 2,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 900, 20, 45, 55. So Jaden has $2,955. So Jaden is definitely going to be getting a 1K slip in my update sinking funds video this month. Next is vacation, and vacation is getting its usual $15. So 10 and a 5. So vacation, we now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 700, 50, 60, 75, 85, 95. So we had $795 for vacation. Next is family time, and family time is getting $10. So we now have 1, 200, 20, 40, 50, 65, 75. So 275. Next is clothing, and clothing is getting $30. It's getting hot soon, you guys, so my kids definitely need a wardrobe update. So in clothing we now have 1, 2, 3, 400, 20, 40, 60, 75, 76, 77, 78. So 478. Alright guys, onto our blue binder. Alright, so emergency fund is getting $50. So we now have 1,100 in our emergency fund. Home remodel is getting 100. So in home remodel we now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 900, 20, 40, 60, 80. So we at 980 for home remodel. So $20 more, guys. We are at 1,000. Car maintenance is also getting $100 this week. So in car maintenance we now have 1,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 700, 20, 30. So we have 1,730. Next is debt snowball, and debt snowball is getting 100. So we at 1, 2, 300, 20, 40. So 340 for debt snowball. Next is health, and health is getting $20. You guys, I'm still trying to find a good amount for health again. So when I first started, I was doing $5 each week, then I went to $10, and now I'm doing 20. So I'm not sure on the amount that I want health at right now. So health, we are at 1, 2, 20, 40, 50, 60, 75. So $275 for health. Next is my savings challenge, and my savings challenge is getting $70. As you guys already saw it in my last video that I crossed out that $70 already. So we're just gonna put in 70. Alright, so my boyfriend's savings challenge, he's not stuffing this week, but I actually forgot to cross out his 60 that he did stuff last week. So next week he is going to be stuffing $65. Alright guys, onto our pink binder. So in my savings this week is getting $30. So 20 and a 10. So in savings we have 1, 2, 3,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 950, 4,000 guys. So I'm super excited we hit 4,000 in our savings envelope. So 20, 40, 55. So you guys, we got $4,055 in our savings envelope. So we definitely need to switch out some bills and put a 1K slip in this envelope. Alright guys, so my Jenny envelope is getting the leftover money from last week, which is $40. And this money is going towards investing. Next is Christmas, and Christmas is getting as usual $30. So 20 and a 10. So on Christmas we now have 1, 2, 300, 50, 400, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 92, 94, 95. So we have $4.95 for Christmas. You guys, it's only March and we already have almost $500 saved for our Christmas envelope for 2021. So that's awesome. Next is back to school, and back to school is getting its usual $5. So we now have 100, 10, 15, 20, 25. So 125. Alright guys, last is gifts, and gifts is getting $20. So in gifts we now have 1, 200, 50, 300, 20, 30, 40, 55, 65. So $365 in gifts. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.